Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to adjust frame size in Premiere Pro. So in order to adjust frame size, you will need to choose how you want to adjust it. So you can adjust it by scaling this clip, or you can adjust the frame size, of course, by changing the resolution of your video. So first of all, as you can see, I have these thin layers right here. So I can simply go to Effect Controls and then scale it up. Now it fixes my problem, but it doesn't adjust this frame size. The frame size is still same, just my video is being scaled up, and so it fills the black borders. So in order to adjust the frame size, you will have to go right here, then go over to Project, and as you can see, you can click this view. This is list view. You can see better that this is the sequence which you want to use. So pick your sequence, right click on it, and then go ahead to sequence settings. As you can see, I'm struggling. Oh, here is sequence settings. Click on that, and here you have video frame size. As you can see, now it is HD, so 1280 by 720. You can go over to Google and Google resolution parameters for video, and as you can see, it will show you which resolution is the best for you. You can pick one. So I will pick this full HD. So it's 1920 by 1080. So type it 1920 by 1080. As you can see, it is 16 by 9, so it will stay the same as I have it, but it will be bigger resolution, so the frame should be smaller. Click on OK, and then OK again. As you can see, my frame is now bigger, so the video is smaller. So I will scale it up to make it big again, and this is basically how you adjust the frame size. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.